The SPAN project is basically the students coming together in small teams to work on an industry-related project or challenge. And that project links the students with industry partners in an ecosystem of learning. The MBA students' journey has changed quite a bit since the pandemic. Today, employers out there are looking at a range of leadership skills that will be valuable in the marketplace in the industry. The SPAN project is specifically designed to enable MBA students to acquire a whole repertoire of skills that will make them future ready for the workplace.
The SPAN project has changed tremendously. We are conscious that we must add value to the program. So we are conscious that it cannot be any generic project. There again, we are also mindful that we should be solving real-life problem, the future problem rather than today's problem.
I use 3 letters here to describe the experience: A, B, and C. A stands for acquire. Students will be acquiring new knowledge, new skills through the project. They also acquire the ability to think like a strategic business partner out there, someone who's taking on a business challenge or industry challenge. B for me stands for build. This is part of any project management. They build something from ground zero. So it is always exciting to see students starting from ground zero, where the project is at the starting block, is for them to shape and be able to come up with a project at the end of the whole learning journey. The third letter stands for C. It's about connect. As I said earlier on, these students are able to connect one another in the project, team spirit, bonding, camaraderie, esprit, the core, and so on.
There was a lot of sustainability elements in this particular brief, which we were extremely enthusiastic about. It was in the utility sector in the Asian market. This is a sector where none of us had any experience, so we thought it was a good challenge for us to pick up this project because we would get to know more in an industry where we didn't have any knowledge.
I chose the data analytics improvement of Coca-Cola. Specifically picked this project because I want to learn more about data analytics, as it has become a necessary skill in this digital world.
I think at the point when we started SPAN, all of the team, they were not just familiar, but also very comfortable working with people from diverse backgrounds. We all had enough opportunities to learn from each other in the different courses, throughout case studies, group projects, assignments, and so on. At this point in time, we all know how each of us works, what our strengths are, what our weaknesses are, and how to best structure a team in order to get the most out of it.
I'm from manufacturing industry and I was a sales. My focus is how can I persuade people to buy things, and we should be neutral. And now I have 2 mindsets, the sales and consulting.
I think most of us will be joining the business teams in analyzing the data for each company. So I think my experience here in the SPAN project will help me improve my decision making.
A lot of things that cannot be taught in a class is taught in SPAN. Negotiation skill, conflict resolution, problem solving skill.
I learned a lot about collaboration, about managing stakeholders.
Probably the most important and valuable experience we've had throughout the MBA course, because it was the opportunity to put all the previous experiences together and work on a very big project.